Hello guys, once again welcome back to another Android app development tutorial. In the last video we learned about how to create settings group. In this video I am going to show you how to create settings subscreen. Here is an example. So here when user select the voicemail, it will open another settings page. So this is a settings subscreen. So now we are going to create a layout similar to this one. So here I use the same example used in the previous episode. So first I'm going to add the needed string resources for creating the settings page. So here I add the all needed string resources for creating the settings page. Now we can create the settings page, we can design it. So first here I'm going to add a preference category. Specify the title for the category. Now I'm going to add some items to the preference category. So here I place two items, a preference and a checkbox preference. Now here I'm going to add another group using a preference category. Specify the title for the category. Okay, so now I'm going to create a subscreen. So you can create a preference subscreen by using the preference screen attribute. Specify the title for it. Now specify a key for it. Name it as preference voicemail. Okay, here it is voicemail title. Okay, now add another attribute, Andriod persistence into false. That means the key value pair is not saved to the preference. That is the use of persistence into false. Okay, now you can add the subscreen items within this preference screen. So in the subscreen I add 4 preferences. Okay, so now we can test it. So I run the project. Go to the app settings. So here we have two groups, ringtone and other call settings. Here voicemail is a subscreen. So when user select voicemail, it open another settings page. So this is how we create subscreen in your app settings page. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.